Hello everyone. Today we have Renuka Kher here with us, जिसने 116 स्कोर किया है MHCET 3 years LLB एग्जाम में. So Renuka, how are you feeling after getting such a good score?
I'm very happy with my score. I wasn't expecting this good score, so I'm like extremely happy.
Okay. What were your family members' reaction after knowing that you have scored such a good score in a short period of time?
They were very happy. They were very pleased with everything and the teaching, and they saw that I was putting in efforts and I was understanding and I was taking interest because of such good teachers. So they were very happy with my score.
Okay, great. So next, can you please share your strategy which you had followed for preparing for this MHCET examination?
My strategy was like once you start studying, you have to give your 100% to it. I used to study like the chapters and I used to attempt the questions given in the books. I used to attempt all the tests which were given to us. There were topic-wise tests, there were separate tests, there were jumbled tests, there were mock tests. Like I attempted all. I attempted as many as I could, and I put in my 100% effort.
Yeah. So basically, you solved all the tests which were provided by EduCARE, starting
Not
from
all
the
the yes,
topic-wise test to the mock test. Mock test also, two types of mock test were there. First was the jumbled one,
yes,
and the second was the
jumbled and
section-wise test. So you solved everything, and I think mock helped you a lot because mock solving is very, very important for all the aspirants. You become a little confident and you get to know where you are standing, what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses, and what section you need to work upon more for achieving a greater score. So I think definitely mocks have given you, a right path to score such a good marks.
yes, yes, definitely. It gave
Yeah.
me a lot of confidence. Like, seeing like how much you're improving on day-to-day basis gives you
Mhm.
confidence.
Okay. So next, which college you are aiming for, Renuka?
I'm aiming for ILS in Pune.
ILS in Pune. Okay. Very high chances you are getting into ILS Pune because 116 is a pretty good score for the 3 years entrance exam students. So very high chance you are getting into ILS.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And I just want to know any future tips for the law aspirants.
Any future tips would be to like pay attention in class, how much ever you can. If you have doubts, ask questions, participate in like whatever the teacher is asking you or asking for answers when you're solving, participate in that.
Uh,
And like give your mock test. Don't be afraid to ask doubts or ask for any queries. Give your mock test properly. And like don't just give it, like go through your answers and see what you have done or what you have to work on. Because I noticed a lot of things which I would have otherwise not noticed, which I noticed in mock tests. I wasn't probably lacking somewhere, or I didn't understand the concept, which I thought I had understood beforehand.
Correct, correct. So this is one thing which you have pointed out as a very good point that many students are afraid to ask doubts to the professors if they have not understood any certain topics, specifically during the live lectures, because they are a little away from the professors. But I think you have pointed this out is very, very good thing that students have an option of asking the professors in the chat box or during the live lectures also. So if in that the question is being resolved at that particular point of time only when the doubt has arisen, it becomes a lot positive point because you are done and dusted with that particular concept. So which is a very good
Yes,
point.
definitely.
Correct. And then after that, solving the topic wise test will help you a lot to understand that core concept into reality, how it is going to be asked in the examination in the MCQ format, which is a very good point you have stated for the law aspirants. Yes,
Thank
Renuka.
you.
Okay. Thank you, Renuka. We wish you all the very best for your future.
Thank you. Thank you.